New Zealand is home to a special kind of honey known as Manuka honey. Bees create it by pollinating the Manuka bush, or Leptospermum scoparium. What sets Manuka honey unique from regular honey is its antimicrobial qualities. They attribute its antimicrobial activities, which are caused by its active component called methylglyoxal. Manuka honey also acts as an antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. It's pretty versatile and powerful. Actually, it has a long history of usage in traditional medicine for anything from treating wounds and sore throats to warding off cavities and promoting digestion. That's why we've decided to compile a list of the top 6 uses for this wonder substance. By the way, our goal is to help keep you as healthy as possible. If you'd like to return the favor by keeping our channel as healthy as possible, please consider liking this video and subscribing. With that said, let's get this video going. 1. Aid wound healing. Honey has been used as a remedy for cuts, burns, sores, and boils since ancient times. The Food and Drug Administration of the United States acknowledged Manuka honey's potential as a wound therapy in 2007. Honey's ability to keep a wound moist while also acting as an antibacterial and antioxidant shield against further microbial invasion makes it an ideal first line of defense against infection. Wound healing, tissue regeneration, and pain reduction in burn victims have all been proven to be improved by Manuka honey in multiple studies. For instance, one study followed the impact of a Manuka honey dressing for 2 weeks on 40 persons with chronic wounds that were not healing. Outcomes revealed that the size of 88% of wounds improved. And it helped make the wound environment acidic, which promotes healing. Manuka honey may also speed the recovery of diabetic foot ulcers. Using Manuka honey wound dressings in conjunction with standard wound care improved the healing of diabetic foot ulcers, according to research conducted in Saudi Arabia. Another study found that diabetic foot ulcer healing time was shortened and wound disinfection was improved when patients used Manuka honey wound dressings. Manuka honey has been shown to be helpful in another trial for the treatment of post-operative sores on the eyelids. It didn't make a difference whether the incisions were treated with Manuka honey or Vaseline. All of the eyelids healed satisfactorily. Scars treated with Manuka honey, however, were observed to be less rigid and much less painful than Vaseline scars. Finally, wound infections caused by antibiotic-resistant bacteria, such Staphylococcus aureus, can be effectively treated with Manuka honey, MRSA. Thus, Manuka honey, when applied topically to wounds and infections on a regular basis, may aid in preventing MRSA. 2. Promote oral health. Nearly half of all Americans suffer from periodontal disease, as reported by the CDC. Reducing the number of harmful oral bacteria that might lead to plaque formation is essential for preventing tooth damage and maintaining healthy gums. If you want to maintain your mouth healthy, you shouldn't kill off the helpful bacteria that live there. Manuka honey has been demonstrated to kill the dangerous oral bacteria that cause gingivitis, tooth decay, and plaque accumulation. The growth of pathogenic oral bacteria like P. gingivalis and A. actinomycetum comitans can be slowed by using Manuka honey with a strong antibacterial activity, as has been demonstrated in numerous studies. One study looked at whether or not reducing plaque and gingivitis by chewing on a honey chew would have any effect. The Manuka honey chew tasted like a chewy honey candy and was enjoyable to eat. Honey chews or sugar-free gum were given to participants to chew or suck on for 10 minutes after each of the 3 daily meals. When compared to the group who chewed sugar-free gum, those in the honey chew group experienced a significant decrease in plaque and gingival bleeding. Since you've probably heard that eating too many sweets can cause cavities, the thought that honey can help improve your oral health may seem paradoxical. Nonetheless, the strong antimicrobial effects of Manuka honey mean that it is unlikely to lead to cavities or tooth decay, unlike confectionery and processed sugar. 3. Soothe a sore throat. Manuka honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties that may help soothe a sore throat. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities that kill the microorganisms that cause pain. Manuka honey has a dual purpose. It kills bacteria and coats the inside lining of the throat, making it more comfortable to swallow. Manuka honey was recently studied for its effects on Streptococcus mutans, the bacteria responsible for sore throats, in patients undergoing chemotherapy for head and neck cancer. Manuka honey appears to significantly reduce levels of Streptococcus mutans, according to the research. The mucositis that is brought on by radiation and chemotherapy is often alleviated by using Manuka honey because it reduces the amount of dangerous oral bacteria. Inflamed mucous membranes lining the esophagus and the digestive tract are called mucositis, and they can become painfully ulcerated as a result. Different kinds of honey have been promoted as effective cough remedies for quite some time. In fact, research has shown that honey can be just as effective as a typical cough medicine. This study didn't utilize Manuka honey, but it's safe to assume that it would have the same effect of calming coughs. 4. Help prevent gastric ulcers. Stomach ulcers are one of the most common health problems that people get. They are sores that form on the lining of the stomach and cause pain, nausea, and bloating. Most gastric ulcers are caused by a common type of bacteria called H. pylori. H. pylori may cause stomach ulcers, and research shows that Manuka honey may help treat them. For example, a test tube study looked at how it worked on biopsies of H. pylori caused gastric ulcers. The good results showed that Manuka honey is effective against H. pylori as an antibacterial agent. But a small study of 12 people who took 1 tablespoon of Manuka honey by mouth every day for 2 weeks showed that it did not reduce the amount of H. pylori bacteria. So, more research needs to be done to fully figure out if it can treat H. pylori caused stomach ulcers. Ulcers in the stomach can also be caused by drinking too much alcohol. Still, a study on rats showed that Manuka honey helped stop gastric ulcers caused by alcohol. 5. Helps with symptoms of cystic fibrosis. The lungs and other organs can be damaged by the genetic condition cystic fibrosis. The mucus-producing cells are disrupted, leading to excessively viscous and sticky mucus. This sticky mucus blocks ventilation passages and makes it hard to breathe. Unfortunately, those with cystic fibrosis frequently suffer from upper respiratory infections. Evidence suggests that Manuka honey can inhibit the growth of bacteria that lead to sinus and bronchial infections. Bacteria such are frequently found in the environment and can cause life-threatening pneumonia in susceptible people. Manuka honey was found to be beneficial against these germs in a single trial including persons with cystic fibrosis. According to the findings, it helps when used in conjunction with antibiotics since it slows down their reproduction. In light of these findings, the researchers hypothesized that Manuka honey could be useful in the treatment of upper respiratory infections, particularly in people with cystic fibrosis. 6. Treat acne. Hormonal shifts are the most common culprit in acne, although a poor diet, stress, or bacterial buildup in blocked pores can also play a role. Manuka honey's antibacterial properties is promoted for use against acne, especially when combined with a low pH treatment. If you have acne, using Manuka honey to keep your skin clean may help clear it up faster. Manuka honey's anti-inflammatory qualities may also help reduce the swelling and redness that accompany acne. While Manuka honey is well known for its antibacterial characteristics, Manuka honey has also been studied for its potential benefits. Evidence suggests that Manuka honey can be as effective as antibacterial soap in treating acne. Manuka honey, you wonderful substance. The honey produced by the Manuka flower is unlike any other. Wound healing and management are a primary benefit. Due to its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory qualities, Manuka honey has been studied for its potential use in treating a wide range of medical conditions, from irritable bowel syndrome and gastric ulcers to periodontal disease and respiratory infections. More study is needed to confirm its useful effects. When combined with conventional medicines, Manuka honey is likely an effective therapy technique that may speed up the healing process. There you have it. Which aspect of Manuka honey did you find the most compelling? Leave your answer in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so that health can go viral. I hope you enjoy this content. Stay tuned for more videos on how to improve your health. For a list of powerful home remedies, click on the links below. Eat well and prosper.